Bitcoin, I don't know if you have watched the previous videos, the price is attempting to go back into the big channel that will unlock 76,000. But as we mentioned earlier, we got this re-entry back into support. Actually, we traded Ethereum. You can check the idea. So that was the entry for Ethereum. And now back to Bitcoin, which is struggling at the same resistance. So you have the red channel, the small channel, that's a small channel before the big channel. Small channel, big channel. Small structure, big structure. But equally, this is now a resistance. So the price is attempting to break over this 63,000 and it's getting rejected there. So that's where we need to be careful again. Okay. So we're facing this resistance. If the price fails like it did yesterday, then especially if it loses this level, the 63,670, then we're going to have to go short again. So that's the main levels right now. Where could that go? Well, the target for that is the 61,900 and the 59, 60, almost 60,000 on the lower end, unless, of course, we have the big breakout and then it's going to unleash itself. And that's in continuation to the previous minds that I posted today. So obviously that entry at 1,730 for Ethereum, it's an entry that worked perfectly well. The same like this position over here, which was in continuation to the rejection we had last night at 63,590. So this over here. Okay, so the price failed and now the price is attempting the breakout, but it's still having to face these major resistance levels, which are quite significant. So that's it for now.